Today we're going to install a brand new steering dampener on this 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL model. Just made a video of removing the old one. This is it. It should uncompress, but it's stuck in there. That is bad. So this here will give you the wobble of death, the death wobble, the steering wheel shaking, the wheels going up and down, because this dampener is fucked. So here's the replacement. I got this one from AutoZone. You get the same part number from O'Reilly's, RS5420. Now let's go ahead and install it. Well, this one's brand new, and this one's also inside. So I guess they're just meant to stay inside. I guess it's just to dampen. Huh. Who knew? Well, now I don't know if it's bad or not. Holy smokes. Well, let's start with this. We're gonna start with this end here, and then this one will go right in here. You know what? We could probably start on this end. Let's start on this end. Let's put on the bolt, and we'll grab on the nut that holds it into place. This is the bolt. This is the nut. Put that into place real quick. All right, we're gonna use an 18mm socket to secure this down. There is a nut behind it. There's a little flap that holds it. Sweet. Next, what we're gonna do is bring this up and slide this forward into here. Let's pull this out. You know what? This one's a lot stronger than this one, so maybe this one still is bad. Look at that. Yeah, I'm able to pull this one out so much easier. Well, hopefully this does it. We'll just pull this out. And just meet it in here. And sit it into place. We'll put on the bolt that holds it into place right on top. Just make sure everything is lined up correctly, otherwise you're gonna struggle like I am. And just like that, we'll thread this in, secure that down with that same 18mm socket. That has a little hook here where it sits on it. I'm gonna need to press that down with both hands. All right, and there it is. And that is how you install the steering wheel dampener. Oh, you know what? It is a lot stiffer. Wow. Before I could move this wheel up and down or side to side easily. Now I'm struggling to open it and close it. Hopefully that does it. We'll take it for a drive and we'll find out. And they actually provided a chrome bolt, but I'd rather use the OEM bolt instead. Man, bro, I thought I took everything out. We forgot this. Technical difficulties. We'll be right back. So if you fuck up like I did, remove the bolt, close this in, pull this back out. There it is, nice and exposed. Let's throw our boot into place. Yikes, so sorry. All right, and there it is, and we'll bring the tire back into place. Align everything back up, put the bolt back. There we are. Now we go for a drive. And if you want, you could actually throw the sticker right there, which I am. All right, and there it is. Now let's give it a try. All right, this thing will start to shake right above 50, 55. Just like no more driving with some bumps. Feels pretty good right now. So notice that it does it under heavy acceleration above 50. So as soon as we get opened up, we'll push it. Through like bumps on the road too, it'll start shaking. Now we're hitting bumps, nice and steady. All right, and we're pretty opened up. Just waiting for that truck back or in front over there to give me a little bit more space. Let's go. It didn't matter if it was bumps, it would shake. shaking a little bit, but it feels like it's the whole Jeep shaking, not the steering wheel. The steering wheel feels good. This does have aftermarket wheels and tires, so they are pretty big. So you will get some play. They're not the original ones, but I think it fixed it. It's pretty good. We're going pretty dang fast. We're already caught up to that truck. Let's see, we'll give it another little rip here. Perfect. No one down this road. Spoke too soon. Let's give it a try. Solid. Starts to shake a little bit at 70, 80. But I feel like that's just the natural ride. I think it's good. Let me see. I'm gonna get up to that speed at normal speed. We'll see what happens. All right, and we're just catching speed normally. Starting to feel a little bit of vibration. I think that's just the Jeep, like the wheels and stuff. Yeah, it's good. Look at that, it's solid. Otherwise, this thing would be doing this thing. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, it's solid, bro. Yeah. Still a little bit of vibration. I think that's just the wheels and tires. I think she's good. I call that a fix on my butt. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.